Sustainability has always been a core focus for LG Electronics, and it guides our decision-making on every level, starting from developing energy-efficient solutions such as the lineup of our THERMA V heat pumps, but also improving our manufacturing processes and finishing with the marketing campaigns for our end users to promote more eco-friendly behavior in the end consumers.
We see eco-responsible gestures everywhere. To complete this approach and make it truly sincere, we wanted the shoot itself to be eco-responsible. So we had to rethink all our shooting habits. We were supported every step of the way by specialized partners who advised us. To control one's carbon impact, it has to be identified and dealt with from A to Z. As the shoot was taking place in the south of France, we mainly recruited local crews to avoid having to travel too far. The starting point is to plan as far upstream as possible. The best waste is the waste we haven't produced. We chose a canteen that provisions locally. There was 0 plastic bottles on this shoot. We preferred low-energy equipment. The machines at the control desk are powered by solar panels. We favored renting electric vehicles. By experimenting here on this shoot, we know that we'll be able to use it on any other shoot. Moreover, in the long term, the goal is for my job to disappear, so that everyone can contribute their know-how.
This leads us to be much more creative in our eco-responsible approach, because we're constantly adapting, and I think that tomorrow's world means knowing how to adapt, because there are things that don't exist and that need to be created.
For everything concerning residual impacts, we've partnered with an agroforestry campaign. Agroforestry consists in combining crops within the same agricultural area to try to understand the effects on biodiversity. Today, we work with many farmers. We carry out diagnostics with them to better understand their expectations and objectives. What motivates us is working together to develop innovative agroforestry systems in the face of climate change.
Making the choice to have an eco-responsible shooting wasn't necessarily an easy decision, because it implies additional planning, a lot of coordination, but we believe that the challenges we might have had at the beginning will be by far outweighed by the outcome, and mostly this should set an example, first of all, to ourselves, and also an example within our corporation and within the industry.